Hello, welcome to. In this video, we are going to see the solution exercise one of the Ganita Manjari. Apart from that, I will give quiz question in. You give answer in the comments. I will put for that correct answer. We will start solving the questions. See this in the first expression using the identity a plus b the whole square equals 2ab plus b square. You know this identity. Now we are going to use this identity to expand the given expression. Okay, we'll start doing this. Let me copy the entire question. See the first one, 7x plus 4y. So we need to consider a as 7x and b as 4y. Okay, if you equate it to a and b, then it will become very easy. See the first one, I will solve it now. 7x plus 4y the whole square. So we can take a as 7x and b as 4y. As per the identity, a plus b the whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? Now we will expand this. Then what will come here? 7x the whole square plus 2ab. 2 into 7x into 4y. See here, I put bracket. The bracket means in between nothing is there. So we will consider that as a multiplication. Okay, if nothing is there in between two numbers or variables, we will consider that as multiplication. And the last one plus b square. B is 4y. So write 4y the whole square. Okay, now we can expand it. 7x the whole square. So we can find the square for both. First 7 square. 7 square is 49. 49x square plus 2 7s are 14. 14 into 4 is 56. 56 xy. The variables are x and y. So write both. That's all. This is over. Now third term. 4y the whole square. 4 square is 16. So 16y square. That's all. This is the expansion of 7x plus 4y the whole square. We have used this identity here. Now question 1. Expand 5x plus 3y the whole square. If you expand it, which will be the correct answer? Option A, B, C, D. 4 options are there. You can select the correct answer and give it in the comment. Okay, I will check your answer. If it is correct, I will put a like, or I will give the reply for the correct answer. Okay, now we'll move on to the second question. See the second question. 7 by 5x plus 3 by 2y the whole square. The previous was integers. 7 and 4 are integers, so easily we did. Here we have rational numbers, p by q format number. Okay, that also similar, but we need to multiply carefully. Okay, see this. As usual, first we can take the 7 by 5 into x as a, and the second term 3 by 2 y as b. Okay, now we can write the expansion. 7 by 5 x the whole square plus 2 into 7 by 5x into 3 by 2 y plus 3 by 2 y the whole square. What will come? 7 by 5 the whole 7 by 5x the whole square. 7 square is 49, 5 square is 25. So 49 by 25 x square plus, here we can cancel this 2 and this 2. Okay, if anything is cancelable, you can do that, because we are doing simplification. Okay, now do the multiplication. 3 7s are 21. 21 x into y, xy. Wait, I will write it neatly. 21 xy divided by 5. Okay, now 3 by 2 y the whole square. 3 square is 9 y square divided by 2 square is 4. Okay, so 49 by 29 x square plus 21 xy by 5 plus 9y square divided by 4. This is the expansion of the second one. I will give similar question for quiz. See there, it is fraction 3 by 2 x plus 2 by 5 y the whole square. So what is the expansion of this one? 4 options are there. Give the correct option in the comments. Okay, if your answer is correct, I will give reply. Now we'll do the third one. I am not giving all questions in quiz. I have selected few questions. So the first one is integer and second one is fraction. So I gave these two. Only few questions will be asked in this quiz. Remaining will be in a worksheet. Okay. So now we will start the third one. 2.5p plus 1.5 q the whole square. See there, all are different. First one is integers, second one is fraction, third one is decimal numbers. Okay, we will give the answer for the decimal number expansion. 2.5p as A and 1.5q as B. We are considering in that way. Now do the expansion. 2.5p the whole square plus 2.5p. We will start with 2. Okay, 2 into 2.5p into 1.5q plus 1.5q the whole square. What will come? 2.5. 25 square is 625. 2.5. So 6.25. 6.25p square plus 2 into 2.5, 5. 5 into 1.5. 1.5 is 5. 0.5 is 2.5. So 5 plus 2.5, 7.5. 7.5 p and q are the variables. Write it. 7.5 pq plus 1.5. 15 square is 225. Now 1.5. So we need to put decimal point after 2 decimal places. So 2.25 q square. This is the expansion of the third one. Okay. So we completed first 3 questions. We will do the remaining now. Six questions are there. I will complete all the questions. See the fourth one, 3 by 4 s plus 8t the whole square. Okay, 3 by 4 s plus 8t the whole square. How can we expand it? As usual, first term is a, second term is b. You consider in that way, it is very simple. 3 by 4s the whole square, a square plus 2ab. In the place of a, we have 3 by 4. 3 by 4s into 8t plus 8t the whole square. Okay, then what will come? 3 square is 9s square divided by 4 square is 16. Okay, 9s square divided by 16 plus we can cancel some numbers here. See this, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. Okay, now look at this, 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. 12 s t plus 64 t square. Okay, so we completed the expansion of fourth one. That's all, we finished it. Now move on to the fifth one. See the fifth one, it is like the previous one. In the previous one is fraction, another one is integer. That means a is fraction, b is integer. Fifth one is a term is integer like 1 and b term is fraction 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2y. We will solve this, x plus 1 by 2y. See this, the previous expression we have variables in the numerator, but here y is in the denominator. So do this carefully. Wait, I will use single color, black color for this. 1 by 2y the whole square. Okay, x square plus 2 into x into 1 by 2y plus 1 by 2y the whole square. Okay, look at this, we can cancel this 2 and this 2. Now x square plus x by y plus 1 by 4y square. If you find the square here, look at this, square is on the top. This is for 1 and 2y. 1 square is 1, 2 square 4, y square. Okay, so we completed expansion of fifth one. The last question, sixth one, the last subdivision in the first question. Okay, plus 1 by y. Look at here, both are fraction form, and in both the terms variables are in the denominator. Okay, whole square. So what is the expansion? A square 1 by x the whole square plus 2ab 1 by x into 1 by y plus 1 by y the whole square. 1 by x square plus 2 by x into y plus 1 by y square. So this is the expansion for the third one. Okay, so we completed this. Now this time third question 1 by p plus 1 by q the whole square. What will be the answer? It is very simple. It is, only the variables are different. Okay, give your correct answer. We will move on to the second question. We completed all question in the first. Now second question, 3 subdivisions are there. We'll start doing this. Using the same identity, we know that identity a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square expansion is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now see this 64 square. What is 64 square? We know 64 square, we can multiply that by getting 64 into 64, but we need to use the identity. So how can we split this 64? 64 can be splitted as 60 plus 4. We can split it anyways, but more ways are there, right? But if you take one is multiples of 10 and another one is multiple of 1, then it will be simple. Okay, so 60 plus 4 the whole square. Now consider 60 as a and 4 as b. Now what will come? 60 square plus 2 into 60 into 4 plus 4 square. 60 square is 3600 plus 2 6 are 12, 12 4s are 48, 480 plus 4 square 16. Now we can add this 3600 plus 480 equal to 4080. 4080 plus 16, 4096. The first one answer is 4096. Okay, so we completed the first one. We will move on to the second one. Since these questions are simple, so I didn't give any quiz question from the second one. Next one, 105 square. How can we split this? 105. Since we have 3 digits, so split it as 100 plus 5. The previous, so we splitted this as 60 plus 4, but here 105. 100 plus 5. We need to use only 2 variables, so split into 2 terms. Okay, 100 plus 5 the whole square. 100 square is 10,000, that we know, plus 2 into 100 into 5 plus 5 square. Okay, so directly I wrote the 100 square. I will write it as a single term. Okay, 100 square. The next step, 100 square is 10,000 plus 2 into 100, 200, 200 into 5, 1000. 1000 plus 25. If you add it, what will come? 10,000 plus 1000, 11,000, 11,025. So 11,025 is the final answer for the second subdivision. Okay, now we will do the third one. Third one similar to the second one, but it is 200, 205. 205 the whole square. We can split this as 200 plus 5. 200 plus 5 the whole square. What will come? 200 square plus 2 into 200 into 5 plus 5 square. 200 square is 40,000. 40,000 plus 2 into 200, 400, 400 into 5, 2,000. 2,000 plus 5 square, 25. If you add it, what will come? 42,025. Okay, look at this. We have used this identity to expand it. Okay, this one is very simple. We completed it. Okay, don't stop here. I have uploaded worksheet. See this, the worksheet is here. Okay, so the worksheet uploaded for exercise set 4.1. It contains many questions. Complete it. See there, one case study question also there. Complete that also. Okay, if you have any doubt, solution is available. If you click this link, you can get solution, but try to do it by yourself. You can check your answer with the solution. Okay, even if you have any doubt, you can send the comment or else send WhatsApp message to this number. Okay, that's all students. We completed exercise set 4.1. In the next video I will explain the solution of exercise set 4.2. Okay, bye.